Mr. Prakash, CA Prakash, Thakkar.
I am audible, sir.
You are very much audible.
Yeah. 1
You're
second.
looking smart.
Thank you, sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah, screen is visible, na?
Not until now. Now we can see.
Okay.
We can see you are sharing your Explorer. And you have blessing of Ganpati with you.
Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. Respected juries and fellow professionals. Just imagine the scene when you are on the last day of the months in audits months, and someone come to you with 500 or 600 invoices. So in last moment, you have to do the accounting and then to solving any errors. So you give to your staff, and it will take so much time, and also there will be so much errors also. And so in the pressure moment, we don't have any option to do the work. So generally, we are avoiding the such types of things. But with these types of tools, we also can do the things properly. So without wasting time, I just started my tool. So here, first point is I just need to enter the form GST number. So if you enter your GST number here, it will automatically decide whether the invoice is given by you in PDF or JPG format, it's purchase or it's sale. So currently the amount is total is blank. So I just try to upload the invoices. For simplicity, I just skipped 4 invoices. Now you can see the message selected four files processing. Attempting to display PDF 1. So what I do here is, because the OCR is not 100% foolproof, so I try to make a tool which can select the template out of template. Say if you have a similar template and you have thousands of invoice, so just one time you need to do the work and map the fields. So say basically invoice number, map the selected. It's asked me to drag the drop over the invoice. So invoice number is selected. First time I need to write here invoice 1, and I can write where the location is. You can check here the coordinators is also shown. So next time any invoices come here, you can do it, and it's automatically capture the things. So though all or four invoices are currently not loaded, so you have a two option. You can either process with mapping, or you can use auto extract all. So 70-80% case this will be work, but if you have a new template, you will face the difficulty. So I introduce this process with visual mapping tool. So once I click the auto extract all data is extracted properly. Just opening the invoices. Yeah, this is the invoice. All party are, first three are sales and last invoice is of purchase. Also, if states is different, say your supplier state is Gujarat here, and recipient state is 27, that is Maharashtra. So automatically IGST will be taken in that chart also here. So first three are sales invoice and last one is purchase invoice. Once you complete this, it's generate the Excel file. So this is the Excel file. So you get the required details. And when this is done, I use Python to check first whether my XML file is proper or not. So I open the Python first. Here I select the Excel file. Test the tally connection, because sometimes your port is different, so it will not get connected. For XML, we want 9000 port. And once you click here, tally connection is successful. Here is the provide import guidance. So it's give you the guidance how to import in a tally. So I went to a tally. And here I need to make a template. Manage template, alter. So this is how I map the everything. And after that, it will be get automatically import in Tally. There are still few errors in importing in a Tally, but yes, I try to build up as much as possible from my side. Now just I go to the presentation and complete the balance part. Instead of PPT, I just try to make in HTML only with background color changing and etc. So technology used by is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PDF, JSON for advanced document reading, machine learning for pattern recognition, and JavaScript response designs with animation. So this is not still 100% accurate. You need to do the additions, the manual additions also. So in future, I have also make a button here. Okay, before going to XML, you can view the same and edit the required things. Also, if GST number is invalidated, in our case, first invoice GST number is not correct. So it's automatically highlight the problematic area. So now just 1 second. Now just one thing you are one questions can be arranged is like there are many ORC tools available in the market. Then why we use this tool? So basically, traditional methods is not learning anything, and is it used for some types of invoice only. But here we can use any type of invoice, and with the use of mapping, we can develop the tool, develop the new invoices pattern. Also, GST automatically captured visual field and it's learning. Whenever you edit, here is a one button for learning also, and it save in the system only in JSON file, just like this. You can edit here, require things. If anything is wrong, you can save the correction and train. So once you save this correction, next time if any invoice is similar to your already having templates, then a result will be probably you will receive accurate result. So that's all from my side, sir.
Thanks, Prakash. Prakash, so have you developed this by yourself or do you have a team who has developed this?
No, sir, myself only. I have used ChatGPT paid version, Cloud, Gemini, and almost 60 to 70 versions I need to do. Thereafter only it's possible.
Okay. No, see, I know you have given a disclosure that it's not accurate, which I really like your modesty,
Yeah,
and generally it takes time for getting accuracy, whether you use OCR or machine learning. That's
yeah,
the
yeah.
real thing you have told. So
Yes, sir.
once have you checked on the false positive which might get?
Yes, yes, I have checked it also. I have given wrong number. Say our first point was whatever the GST number you have taken. Here, first thing is you need to write GST number. And if you upload the any invoices where this GST number is nowhere there, not on the purchase side, not on the sale side, then it will not proceed further and remove that part from that final report here.
Okay. So that's all from my side. I'll
Yeah.
hand it over to Rishir for any
Thank you.
questions.
Thank you once again, everyone.
All right, so this was a great presentation. Just to clarify, have you used Python to either develop this or the
I
extractor?
Yeah, I tried to do a Python through, but
Hmm.
say in Tally version 6, it's not fetching the data entry properly. So I
Right.
try to do the HTML only because user interface is also good in here in HTML.
Yeah, exactly. That was my question of why choose HTML when you still have Python. So yeah, like
Yeah,
no
yeah.
other questions from my end. Subha sir?
So I mean, really like the part of hovering around and mapping the space. So what tech we have used on that?
Nothing, just give a system the prompt. Gemini, in Gemini, this was made that I want the HTML format with this types of content. So it's automatically made it.
No. What I mentioned was in the invoice, to identify the invoice number, you
Yeah,
said you can map it.
yeah.
So while you said you hover it and then it takes the data, or how it works? I mean, what tech you have used there?
Just we just mark here.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, the rover is not looking clearly. Once I click either map selected, it give me a message that you should select with dotted. So once I select the here, I select it like this. Okay.
Okay.
And the new window open. Here the coordinators is capture automatically. Here one time I write the actual invoice number so that it can capture properly. Here write invoice one, and I can write the remark if required, and then I save the mapping. So next time whenever I do such types of invoice come to me, it will automatically capture the things. First I try to do general OCR. If auto extract all, first I try to do with general OCR. If general OCR fail, here I can check whether general OCR is fail or not. If it's failed, then I use with process visual mapping. Currently, I have not done any visual mapping in these files, but I try to build up similar way in earlier also. And your learning is automatically saved in this file, and you can see the things what you have changes.
No, I got you, sir. My question was, when you hover it, it takes the coordinate, right? So
Yeah,
what is the tech you have used behind?
nothing, sir. Is basically I just give the prompt to Gemini, and Gemini
Okay.
created properly, but I need to do multiple things. Means multiple times I need to do this thing. So after
Yes.
60, 70 attempt, I think in HTML only they made some prompt. In HTML only it's cover everything. JavaScript also use here, and Python also use in backend.
Good. So you're not bothered about what it is, but you need
Yeah,
what you want. So Gemini
yeah,
gives
yeah, correctly, yes.
good approach.
Because I don't have that much time, but yes, definitely we can improve it more better. Like
No,
for
definitely,
debit note,
definitely.
credit note, and everything. Yeah.
Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Prakash. Thanks. You have shown the spirit of a hustler, and which many other participants showed. Means you try until you get the solution
Yeah, yeah.
and
Definitely.
move between technologies. That's a good thing.
Yes.
Uh, so let's